आपने तो हाई राइज बिल्डिंग और ब्रिजेस तो बहुत देखे होंगे, लेकिन कभी सोचा है कि ये कैसे बने होंगे? इनकी कंस्ट्रक्शन एक्टिविटी कैसे मैनेज की गई होगी और उसे कैसे एग्जीक्यूट किया गया होगा? एक प्रोजेक्ट में करीब 100 लोगों का इन्वॉल्वमेंट होता है और ये बिना लीडर के मैनेज नहीं होता। एक प्रोजेक्ट को कंप्लीट करने में बहुत से अप्रोचेस यूज़ होते हैं। ग्रुप ऑफ लीडर का इन्वॉल्वमेंट रहता है। उनमें से एक अप्रोच होता है कंस्ट्रक्शन मैनेजमेंट।
इस वीडियो में आपको कंस्ट्रक्शन मैनेजमेंट का एक ओवरव्यू जानने मिलेगा।
सबसे पहले हम बता दें आप वीडियो में आगे क्या क्या देखेंगे। इंट्रोडक्शन, व्हाट इज़ कंस्ट्रक्शन मैनेजमेंट, कंस्ट्रक्शन मैनेजमेंट सिस्टम, ट्रिपल आर, बेनिफिट्स ऑफ कंस्ट्रक्शन मैनेजमेंट, IS कोड्स एंड कंक्लूजन।
Introduction. Basically, construction management involves some form of professional expertise which is focused in the area of cost, estimating, system analysis, and supervision. Construction management is headed by the construction manager. Construction manager is in complete and total control of entire project from start to end. Construction management is a consulting firm providing project management services. It also offers services for developing feasibility studies, drawing up building program, fine-tuning construction documents, and coordinate the various parties involved in the project. What is construction management? Construction management refers either to the study and practice of the managerial and technological aspect of the construction industry, which include construction, construction science, construction management, construction technology. CMAA, Construction Management Association of America, say responsibility of a construction manager fall into the following category: project management planning, cost management, time management, quality management, contract administration, safety management, CM professional practice. This includes specific activity like defining the responsibility and management structure of the project management team, organizing and leading by implementing project control, defining the roles and responsibility and developing the communication protocol, and identifying element of project design and construction likely to give rise to dispute and claim. Construction management system. The system includes the maintenance of necessary data as well as the generation of the report and query related to the planning, designing, construction, monitoring of the project. The system provides accurate and relevant information to support effective decision making at different levels. It also improves the management of high volume data and minimize information delay at different management levels. It also provides effective way to share data and information among various management level and concerned field offices. Construction management system comprises the following modules: configuration, land acquisition, rehabilitation and resettlement, schedule of rate, procurement, construction management and monitoring, project management, resource requirement planning, account, assessed, development work on field, environment management plan, quality control. Triple R of construction management: roles, responsibility, and risk. Starting with the role, two primary roles are CM advisor and CM constructor. CM advisor. CM advisor administrates the construction contract through the design and construction phase of the project. This duty also includes pre-construction services such as estimating the cost, scheduling, and review the construction. CM constructor. They associate with contractor. They hold all subcontract for construction. They are responsible for task of contract management and construction. They take responsibility for the entire construction project. assume the same risk as a general contractor, including job site safety. They may promise the owner a guarantee maximum price for the project. Responsibility of construction management. It's include the designing of project, which involve also errors or omission. Selection of material, estimate the cost of the project, safety of the site and the project, responsibility for construction means and method, as well as the contractor job site safety program, safety plans of project, scheduling the project, coordination, site condition. Construction management risk. Once you understand the risks of construction management, you can make an informed decision as to whether or not to offer such services. Benefits of construction management. Most important benefit of construction management is that there is a constant watching of the project. If any problem arises, you can quickly take care of it. Project can move smoothly, so you can ensure that there is no delay in project. You can schedule the project as per your own. Construction cost being identified during design phase only. And construction management is responsible for creating a budget. IS code related to construction management. IS 15833 Part 1, which is related to construction project management, which include general guidelines. There is another IS code, IS
5883
Part 2, construction project management, which is related to the time management. Conclusion. So all of these construction management professionals, they try to deliver a project to owner that build safely, on time and within the budget. So construction management is a better option for your future. This has a better chance of getting job in the market if you are a well trained in the area of construction management. And in this, planning is a major part of this job. If you are interested in construction management and planning the project, then you might consider this. आपने अभी पूरे जो वीडियो में देखा वो सिर्फ एक ओवरव्यू ऑफ कंस्ट्रक्शन मैनेजमेंट था। डिटेलिंग में हम आपके लिए वीडियो जल्द लाएंगे। तब तक आप बने रहिए कंस्ट्रक्शन मित्रों के साथ। वीडियो को सब्सक्राइब कीजिए, लाइक कीजिए, कमेंट्स कीजिए और अपने दोस्तों के साथ शेयर जरूर कीजिए।
Subscribe now and press the bell icon. Never miss an update.